and thank you for taking the time to review the Business Retention and Expansion BR&E database from the University of Minnesota Extension Center for Community Vitality. My name is Nick, and I'm a graduate student research assistant with the BR&E program. This video will examine how to get started with the Tier A benchmark tool that is downloaded from the website. Tier B follows a similar interpretation, so refer to these videos if you need help with those questions. It may be beneficial to go ahead and pause this video to download the Tier A documentation. As a general note, I'm recording this video on a Mac using Microsoft Excel 2011. If you're using a PC or later version of Excel, things may look slightly different, but the processes will be the same. As you open the file, you will notice that there are a number of worksheets in this workbook. Those are highlighted here at the bottom of your screen. Each worksheet represents a different question in the BR&E survey. I'll go ahead and click on the recruitment worksheet. You'll see that the question text is listed above the table, and then data are contained in the table below. A later video will walk through using the table, so let's go back to the index by clicking Tier A Index here. The index is the first worksheet that is visible when you download the file and contains information about the Tier A database. The first column, column A here, lists the question's label. This is a short word or phrase used to summarize the question. You'll find the question label on the worksheet tabs at the bottom of the screen. The population quintile limits are indicated in the table to the right of the index. The second column, column B, lists the question text, or if the question text doesn't make sense outside of the context of the BR&E survey, it contains a paraphrase of the question text. Both of these columns contain text that is hyperlinked to specific pages. Notice that if I click Recruitment in cell A4, I'm taken back to the resources used for recruitment worksheet that we looked at a minute ago. I can navigate back to the tier index by clicking the tab down here, or by clicking the index hyperlink tab here. Clicking the recruitment question text in cell B4 returns me to the resources used for recruitment worksheet. Next, we'll look at the detailed index. I'll navigate there by clicking the detailed index here. This shows an expanded version of the index on the previous page. Notice that column A still lists the label and columns B through D lists the question text. Additionally, they list the acceptable responses for each question. This will provide additional question context and provide users with information about the questions prior to looking at the data. This will be a useful summary before looking at all of the numbers. Thanks for taking the time to review this material about getting started with the benchmark database. The subsequent video will show how to use the table filters and how to interpret the data in our supplement to the written documentation.